now roll your knees in, squeeze your thighs in. There, good. Down, good. Now down. Come in my hip. And are you ready? Roll your knees in. And stand up. And up and up and down. Roll those knees in, squeeze those knees. Roll those knees. Good. See, when you roll your knees, your legs don't go in front of you. When your legs go in front of you, then you can't stand up. You're gonna fall back. So you're gonna keep those legs in the